Are you worried about negative equity returns? Do you want to know the better investment products at this current scenario? Then this video is for you. Today you will learn what are the best investment products at this current scenario when the market is going down and down, and what should you do when the market is going down and down, and if should you continue your investments. This is what you are going to discuss today. You will learn today. I am going to share today. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. And when the market is going down or it is crashing, I'll be really happy, because not because people are going to lose money, just because you will be able to find out the right stock at the right price. And though it's difficult to predict the right price, but it's easy to identify which stock to buy and hold on for the long time, right? So this is a time. So this is one tip I just shared immediately. So let's get into it, like how it all started. So in the July month alone, the last month, stock market has crashed like anything. FPIs, the foreign portfolio investors have taken their amount out, and it's almost like 5 to 6% of the market has gone down. And the people who had invested right from 2016-17, seeing the huge market returns of your friends, they are seeing the negative returns for the last 1 to 2 years. And it's difficult to convince people that you need to stay longer, because the last 2 to 3 years returns, that to people investing in SIP mode, month on month you are investing, right? So still it's showing negative returns or flat 5 to 6. You will be arguing, if I had put down an RD, recurring deposit, I would have got much bigger returns. Remember, this is not for people. This equity is not for people who expect conservative returns. It's for people who want huge returns, better returns compared to FDRD. In a long run, you should stay invested for 4 to 5 years period. This is a ideal term which I have been saying, which the ideal term which all the advisors who are recommending equity funds should have been told. But where it all started, it's not only about July. It all started from long back. The ILFS crisis, like the company got defaulted. They were not able to repay, and that's when the NBFC crisis has actually started. The liquidity crunch, which has been gripping our economy, it started burning, and that's what I can say. And slowly S Bank got defaulted. It had huge NPAs, non-performing assets, and one after the other companies started coming in. And even during the our budget, Indian government has said that there is no relief for FPIs. The tax rates has been increased, so that is also one of the reasons said for Indian stock market going down. And they are clear, that government is clear that they are not worried about stock market. They are worried about Indian economy on the whole in the long run. So that is one side. So let's leave about how the economy is performing. So these are the reasons which has gone down into the stock market, making it to fall from the peak of touching 40,000. It's around 37,000, and no one has expected this much fall. And even the Fed US macro condition is also failing to lift the mood, because they had also said that there is a slowdown is happening. We may also get into recession mode. That is the understanding everyone has got into. Seeing that yesterday there was a fall of about 450 points. So it's shocking, like, right? While everyone expecting the market to go up and up, but it is going down and down. And slowly, that is one reason. So NBFC crisis and US Fed saying that nothing is happening right now, and there won't be a Fed cut when everyone is expecting the rate cuts happening in US. They said we are doing it, but still the slowdown or recession might catch us at the earliest. This is what they said. So that is one reason across the world market is going down. So don't worry, we are not the only people where the market is going down. Across the world, the stock market started crashing yesterday. So this is one thing. And slowdown projected, that is one thing. So the reasons for market going down, I can say n number of it, so many things put together. NBFC, but top three: Fed rate cut, which has not happened, and slowdown projected by the US, which has crashed the Indian stock market and all across the world. So these are the three things. But what can you do? Remember, in 2008 also the crash was very huge. From peak of 21,000, it touched close to 8,000. So then everyone thought it's over, market is over, your money is lost. But if you had stayed invested for next 4 to 5 years, just 4 to 5 years, it had reached its peak of around 18, 19,000. So if you had stayed invested, your in mutual fund or in stocks, if you had identified the best stocks, your amount would have recovered. I'm saying your amount would have got recovered at the earliest. So So staying invested during these tough times, instead of taking the money out, saying, even if it is a 5% loss, let me take it. Even if it is a 20% loss, let me take it. It won't work. You are going to suffer loss, and you are going to stay away from the market till your death. That's what I can say. So stay invested. Consult an advisor who can guide you. Like, should you invest right now, or what should you do in with your already invested amount, which is a negative. My recommendation: verify, check your portfolio, check your funds. If it is good, continue your SIP. Don't think what will I do. Even if you take out, what you are going to do, you are going to put down on your FD. And remember, you had chosen your mutual fund for long term goals like your child's education, your vacation for maybe in the next 3 years, you are buying a home in the next 5 years, or a long term. What you're going to take your amount within a year or two and keep worrying that I had lost money. So this is one thing. And people who are having a lump sum amount and thinking, I need to deposit at any cost, I can't keep it in savings account. There is something called corporate FDs, corporate fixed deposits, which gives better returns. Bajaj fixed deposit and Mahindra and Mahindra, these are renowned names who collects deposits. These are companies which are highly regulated, CRISIL certified, like credit rating has been provided, and they never defaulted. It's like a bank deposit, but corporates are receiving, and the interest rates are going to be much higher. You are going to get, even now they are offering more than 8%, and it varies for senior citizen by much higher amount percentage. So this is one option. And even NCD is looking at the companies. L&T has launched a few months back. Muthoot has launched. It will be available for a period of 15-20 days, and you can choose these deposits. These NCD is kind of a fixed deposit which you can use it for higher returns. For example, Shriram Transport Finance, they had launched the NCD in the last month, and they were offering close to 9% for a 5-year NCD, which is nowhere coming near by the fixed deposit of SBI. They had slashed the rate by another 0.2%. Now it's less than 7%. That's what you will get it if you put your money in SBI fixed deposit. So these are the things available, the safer conservative returns. Put part of your money in all these corporate deposits, which will be much safer, you can believe, because these are credit rated and accredited, so you can believe it. And debt mutual fund, again there are something called ultra short term or liquid mutual fund, which doesn't invest in stock market, and you can park your fund. If you need the money back in 2 to 3 years, park your fund in these funds, which will offer minimum 7 to 8%, and these are risk free, almost risk free, but it's very very less. Choose the best liquid mutual fund and then stay invested for a period of if for a year or two, so your funds will be protected and you can be feel safe about it. And the most important thing which I want to say, because I gave a hint, like when the market is crashing, this is the best time. This is what I love it, because this is the time you can choose the best stock. Consider the in you will be meeting offers like, right, Amazon, Flipkarts are putting offers like freedom sale. So many sales are happening, and they are preparing for the freedom sale, which is going to happen on the August I think 8th to 11th. I just shared it because I was receiving mails. So consider it as a freedom sale in stock market, but you need to find the right stock. It's not like Amazon. You can't just keep shuffling things and find out this is the best, this is the thing I can buy, because there you will be getting a product and you can complain. Amazon will respond like easily, and they will even refund if the query is logical and you are being cheated. But when it comes to stock market, if you are doing something like that and choose some stock which is at 52-week low, you're going to lose your money. And what I'm saying is, you need to find the right stock at right intrinsic value, right? So what you should do, you need to understand the basics of stock market. Then I am recommending you to find the intrinsic value of the stock, and then you can invest. Without understanding the basics of stock market and then keep investing your money and then losing partially or fully, and then keep complaining, keep worrying about money all through your life, that is not going to help. You are here to make a fortune. You are here to create wealth. You are here to enjoy your life like anything, right? So that is what your agenda should be in your life. So keep enjoying, keep happiness alive. So for that, out of what my experience in the last 7 years, I had lost money like anything in stock market, and I learned a lot, and now I know how to make money. It's not about making money, it's not about not losing money. That's what even Warren Buffett says. The rule number 1, what he says is, never lose money in stock market. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. hope it's easy to remember, right? So now I'm not losing money in stock market, I can say it. So keep learning, and my offer is that click the below link available in the Facebook page, in the below video section, that you can find basics of stock market in the link. And once you go, there is a 10 video series online course. It's absolutely free. You can learn what is stock market, what is stock exchange, should I need demat, should I invest in a stock which is falling like anything. It was at its peak of 500, now it is available at 200. Should you invest? I had burned my fingers while identifying stocks like that. If you are, and what are the mistakes people are doing in the stock market, and what is the things you need to do in your fundamental analysis. It's not a, we are not recommending any stocks in that video. It's purely about understanding the basics of stock market. If you are interested to demystify your myths, this is the video course I am giving it to you. So this is a video course you need to learn, and then share your comments like how it is, because I'm preparing one more video series where you will learn everything about financial planning over online, and you can do it yourself. So this is absolutely free from my end. Please click the below link and comment what you got from your today's video, because this is a burning questions across the people, like should I invest, should I wait, what should I do at this current juncture. So hope this today's video was interesting to you, and if interesting, just like and share it in your share it with your friends. And if you're watching in YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I keep posting and you will be getting notifications easily in your mobile. So thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends, because this is the burning question with everybody. Should I invest in this current scenario, or should I wait? What should I do with my current amount already invested in equities or in other places? So hope I had answered. If you have any queries still left over with respect to your investments, please put down your private message to me in the messenger, or just put in the comment section below. I'll be addressing it at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Share it with your friends. Thank you.